In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly upload an ads.txt file to your Wix website. This simple process is essential for anyone looking to verify their ad traffic and ensure the integrity of their ad revenue, particularly if you're using providers like Google AdSense. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your site's dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you've oriented yourself there, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you will see various options, but for this task, we need to focus on marketing and SEO. Depending on your version, you might also find marketing integrations under this category. So either click on Marketing and SEO or hover over Marketing and select Marketing Integrations. This will guide you to the tools you'll need to effectively manage your marketing efforts. Now, scroll patiently through this section until you locate the ads.txt section. This area is specialized for handling files that list the authorized sellers of your digital ads, helping to prevent unauthorized inventory sales. When you see it, click on the Connect button associated with ads.txt. This action will open up a new window or dialog box where we can take the next steps to upload your file. Within this window, you'll notice an option to add ads.txt file. Click this button to prepare for inserting your file's content. At this stage, it's important to have your ads.txt file content ready, which you should have already received from your ad provider. Your ad provider, such as Google AdSense, will generate this file to ensure that everything you do in terms of ad sales is transparent and safe. Copy the entire content from this ads.txt file. Be thorough in ensuring you capture all the details within the file. With that content on your clipboard, return to the dialog box on Wix. You will find a text box ready for input. Paste the entire content you copied earlier into this space. Double-check to make sure everything pasted correctly. Any missing or incorrectly formatted information could disrupt your ad verification process, possibly leading to loss of revenue or non-compliance with your ad provider's policies. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your ads.txt file to your Wix website. By doing this, you've taken a critical step in securing your site and verifying your ad partners. Regularly update this file to reflect any changes in partnerships or ad configurations to maintain optimal ad performance. Thanks for following along today, and remember to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful.